Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up, which means whatever you see me demonstrating here, you can buy from me, and I hope you do. Today I'm going to be making a really cute and easy Christmas card. Let me bring this up a little bit. What I am using is, I'm going to be using Inspired Thoughts stamp set. I am going to be using Pear Pizzazz ink. Now, what I'm going to be using for cardstock is an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of basic white. I'm going to use a 5.5 by 4 1/4, a full card front of Pear Pizzazz, and I've done something with this already. And I'm using a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper. I'm also using the Stamp Cut and Emboss machine, or I have already used that. I am using the Playful Dies, and then I am using the Ornate Floral 3D embossing folder. Okay? So the first thing I did was with the Playful Alphabets, I lined up Peace and Joy on the, and I'm using Glimmer Paint and alcohol ink. Where is it? I just had it out here because I was, there it is. You can use, if you want, you can use Winkostella. But I wanted to show you guys how to brighten this up, and I'm also using basic pearls. So what I'm going to do, I first cut this out, then I ran it through the Ornate Floral, and now I'm going to spritz it a little bit. I always hate that. Let me, because it's going to blob out, I'm going to turn away and do it over the sink. Okay. So I'm going to put that aside to dry. I am then going to fold this in half to make a card front. And then I'm going to put the Heartwarming Hugs on with, oh, and I forgot, I'm using seal, Stampin' Seal. Then once this dries, I am going to put it on the Heartwarming Hugs. There you go. Now I wanted a little bling. That's really nice, but I wanted just a little bling, and now where is it? Where are they? They were right here. Oh, there they are. So I got my pearls, basic pearls out, and I decided I was just going to put a little bit of bling on here. Now if you want, you could put some of the letters back. Now what am I going to do? I've got all these letters left. What am I going to do with those? I can make another one. I could make this a 3D one. Realistically, just put the letters back up, pop them up. Okay, then I'm taking my Pear Pizzazz and my saying peace, love, and joy. Peace, love, joy. And stamping that on the inside. And we got a quick, well, it wasn't quick. We got an easy card. Cutting it out is a little, I'll give you a tip. If you are very anal about this, now it's leaking all over. If you are very anal about this and want it totally perfect, what I would do was I would cut out a piece of my grid paper, and I would lightly tack it on here on your piece of Pear Pizzazz, and then I would line up, make sure you cut straight, use your stamp trimmer, and I would line up all the letters on top of it and then cut through both the grid paper and the Pear Pizzazz. Anyhow, there I go. Follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to purchase this is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.